Hello, friends and colleagues. This is Chris Camella from Spark Hire answering your tough interview questions. Today's question is describe your ideal manager. Now, be careful answering this question, as it can reveal insight into not only how you operate at work, but what kind of manager you could potentially turn out to be. You should describe your ideal manager as you would a teacher. Here's an example. My ideal manager would be a leader in the field, someone who is sensitive toward their employees and treat them equally and fair, but maintains the path toward the overall goal. He or she would be able to balance coaching and governing team members, and someone who can build a relationship with their employees so that he or she can trust them with more responsibility down the road. This has been an answer to your tough interview questions. Post your comments below, check us out at sparkhire.com, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your next interview.